Here we go, 2016 Charger RT. So we're gonna go do the drone sound right now inside the car at certain speeds, as requested. Right now we're in automatic, regular mode, and we're just gonna be doing the sound of the drone inside the car.
Justice Center coming up, Will.
So obviously it doesn't sound horrible because you are revving through those RPMs really quick, and it's not gonna be super loud in your ear because it's not. Oh shit! And then once you're in, what gear are we in now?
6.
Once you get into 6th gear, you don't really hear it. It's not bad. We're doing about 70 right now. It doesn't sound bad at all. I mean, it's because of that 8-speed transmission. The 8-speed transmission does everything.
Dropping to 7th gear.
Yeah, then the higher the gears go up, the less you hear that drone in your ear. But when you're first going, it's there.
So here's 8th.
8th, you're in 8th and you're in eco mode.
Yeah.
Eco
almost.
Mode. Yeah. So 8th gear, and then sometimes 8th in eco, you don't hear it as much.
It's pretty quiet.
It's pretty quiet. It's not loud. It's not in your ear ringing like crazy, which is nice. But everybody's gonna have to understand that it's going to have that slight drone in the first few gears if you're not driving it super fast, or if you have your windows up. If you have your windows down, it's not a big deal at all because it doesn't sound bad. What gear is that?
8th gear, 65.
8th gear, 65. So obviously it's coming back up in the RPMs. It's really low in the RPMs then.
Yeah, we're about 1.5 on the RPMs.
Yeah, 1.5. Yeah, getting absolute amazing gas mileage. I wish I could get that in mind. But it's not that bad.
It says about 30 miles to the gallon right now.
30 miles to the gallon, doing almost 70. Now we're in sport, and you're gonna get a little more aggressive shifting.
Okay, alert.
And so all the way through, it's just a couple shifts right there. You had a little drone in your ear. Very good driving.
The speed limit is 55 miles per hour.
Oh my god!
115.
Dad, we gonna cut that? We are in Mexico. This is not in California. First gear, let's go. That pushes you back in your seat a little bit.
The speed limit is 55 miles per hour.
99.
Yeah, 3,000 RPMs. You hear it a little bit right there at the high 3,000s. If you stay in 3rd gear, you're going to hear that drone a lot.
The speed limit is 45 miles per hour.
He's going to do a pull right here.
Let this go.
The speed limit is 45 miles per hour. The speed limit is 30 miles per hour.
Wow. I see what you mean. It skated.
It won't shift. You shift it.
It's kind of like a manual, but it's automatic. Almost. That's kind of cool. I like that. He goes, I like that. That's cool.
See all the smoke back there?
Whoa!
The speed limit is 45 miles per hour.
Wow. definitely hear my exhaust a little more. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure why.
What do you think that 0 to 60 is though, if you're gonna guess?
It's gonna be like really low 5 or a high 4. Just got finished with my dad's charger, so we're gonna go ahead and start with mine right now. So Nicole just drove over to my house right now. She's gonna be in here while I do this video. Going to now do the drone sound in my car, so we can compare it to my dad's car. For the most part, the cars are about the same in the amount of drone that you're gonna get. Most of the drone that you're gonna get is only from most of the drone you're gonna get is between the 2,000 and 3,000 RPM range. And it's only when your windows are up. For me, this isn't a big deal because usually I drive with my windows down, so I don't hear the drone. I hear more of the engine, anyways. For the most part, the drone isn't unbearable. The drone is more in this car, definitely though, than the 2016. So I think either the car was fixed or just the shape of the body of the car was maybe better, or maybe just the soundproofing is a little bit better. If you have a 2011 to a 2014 with a mid-muffler and Resonator delete, it's going to sound like this. You're going to hear it drone all the time unless your windows are down. So we're still in automatic. Just kind of going through the gears. It can be quiet when you want it to be, or loud when you really want it to be. I mean, I'm going to keep saying it probably throughout this video that it's going to sound like that, but here's going to be a quick acceleration right now. You don't really hear the drone because it's going through the gears really fast. The RPMs are going really fast, just like the 2016. There's not much difference when going through the gears, but you're definitely gonna hear it more. It's gonna wind out in your ears a little more. I mean, you obviously have only 5 gears here, so you're gonna hear more of that drone. He's got 8 gears, so when he's in a higher gear, you're not going to hear the drone. So that's why it's really nice. So if any of you guys are deciding right now between buying a 2nd generation or 3rd generation, I mean, you know, unless you're buying a special edition car like this, the Mopar 11, I would have to end up going with a newer generation, the 3rd generation. In a second, I'm going to switch to sport mode. And I'm going to go through the gears manually, just so you guys can hear. Oh, back to the video. No. Okay. For some reason, my glove compartment wasn't closing, so we fixed that. That's all good now. So right now in 3rd gear, you're going to hear the drone, hopefully. Gear right now, 70 miles an hour, lots of drone in my ear. 5th gear, lots of drone at 80. Oh, did you hear that? That sounded amazing. Did you hear that? It went, oh, that was sick. I've never even heard my car do that in 3rd gear before, but that was cool. I wish my windows were open for that, like low key. Now I'm in 2nd gear. We're at 3,500. 3rd gear at 3,000 RPM. There's a stop sign there now. I'm gonna jam it for you guys in manual. Yeah, that's not bad. You don't hear the drone in manual going through it. You maybe have the slightest tinge, but it's all exhaust. For me, it's, oh shit. For me, there's a nice ass charger over there. Sorry. washing my car actually. The next couple days we have a big meeting going on, if I haven't already explained it already, or if I think I did already. There is another cruise going on Saturday that we will be attending. It starts in Hemet. It's going to Oceanside, California. It's not going to be as big as the Henshaw cruise, but there's going to be like 3 groups or something like that. And my dad said he's going to be able to come, so that's really nice. Spend some time with the pops. Yes, the drone does suck when you're on the highway. I used to drive this back and forth to LA, even though it doesn't deserve it, obviously. But I would have to find the right spot. Every owner is going to find the right spot. This is an SRT Jeep right in front of me. Oh, wow. I wish I had the other camera right now. There's an SRT Jeep in front of us right now. How nice. That was a Challenger. I'm going to bring the windows down now, just to show you guys why I love this exhaust. It's a little windy right now, so I hope you guys don't hear too much of that. But I'm going to show you guys why I love this exhaust drone that you get. So you won't even know. You won't even know. Just gonna turn right. Just gonna turn right here. You're not gonna see us. Oh, but you can hear that exhaust coming down. See, the cool thing about the exhaust is right when you let out the gas, it shuts down. You can't hear it at all. I mean, I shut it down. I was only slowing down, so the only thing it could make me look like I was going fast to him, but and obviously you get a lot of pops out of this. You get lots of pops out of this exhaust. It sounds amazing. I would definitely recommend this exhaust to anybody. So here we go. Let's just park here really quick. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share it, give it a thumbs up, comment if you liked it, comment if you didn't like it, tell me what you do like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what your mama thinks. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did this video by request. I thought that some people would actually, enjoy it, because there's not many videos of people, doing a video of the drone sound you would get from these Hemis. So this is obviously a video from your 2011 Charger RT to your 2018 Charger RT. This is the sound you would get from this car and my dad's car for a Mid-Muffler and Resonator delete. We both have Mid-Muffler and Resonator deletes. If you guys are thinking about these exhausts, they're absolutely amazing, they're absolutely cheap, and they're absolutely affordable, and they're super fun. So you can add, this is probably one of the cheapest mods that you can do to your car, and it adds horsepower, you lose weight, and it's just it's a head turner. So again, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.